It was nothing short of a bold fashion statement. Cherokee Nation Behavioral Health partnered with Tahlequah Help-In-Crisis for the 4th annual Walk a Mile in Her Shoes at Norris Park in Tahlequah last Saturday. Walk a Mile in Her Shoes is an international men's march to stop rape, sexual assault, and gender violence. The walkers registered and picked out their pumps and stilettos, and some even taped up their ankles to support walking a mile in her shoes.
Everybody ready?
It was definitely a fun event, but still, the 300 men and boys from the surrounding communities picked out their pumps and stilettos to raise awareness and funds for a very serious subject: prevention of violence against women and children. Cherokee Nation Marshal Service and other employees came out to support the cause. School groups from Tahlequah and Sequoia donned pumps for the event. There was even a four-legged participant along for the walk.
I love the way Tahlequah has grabbed a hold of the concept of walking a mile in her shoes to bring awareness to domestic violence. It's become a whole event. We're going to have 300 or 400 men walking a mile in her shoes. What kind of support is that? That's huge to me. Love this event.
I've been doing this for 3 years, and I really believe in the cause because nobody deserves to be raped.
Help-In-Crisis is an agency that assists survivors of domestic violence and sexual assault, providing crisis intervention services to Cherokee, Wagoner, Sequoia, and Adair counties. The organization also provides refuge for domestic violence victims and their children, and helps to promote alternative thinking that will enable people to live without violence or fear.
We have such a great community here in Tahlequah who's really looking forward to changing the dynamics and saying that violence against women is not okay. And so that's why we do it, is to give men the opportunity to stand with us as allies and say we don't accept violence against women in any form, whether it be domestic violence or sexual assault.
Got my stylish shoes on, power smoothie, I'm good to go.
April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. 1 in 6 women will be sexually assaulted in her lifetime, and 1 in 4 will be the victim of domestic violence: daughters, sisters, mothers, friends, and co-workers. While women are the primary victims of domestic violence or sexual assault, men everywhere are also affected. The event gave the men an opportunity to take a stand and say that violence of any kind, but more especially sexual assault and domestic violence, is unacceptable in our communities and within the Cherokee Nation.